Yeah, Nick tells me at the moment about it. They've been up for terminating because they're pushed to the retirement's broken on them, so they've
Did they come up with it?
yeah, they come up fine. It's just a case that I can't remember exactly what it was. Yeah, so we could just pull the retirement back in on let it build. Yeah, because
Are you saying that Simon has to do some friggery with them? But I thought that was just
No,
retirement.
the friggery, what it is pushing the retirement up, but I can't remember exactly what the reason was we had to do that. I think it was basically that they
Because
were.
they all retired together. No, there's a problem with the separate count. They never actually terminated properly.
That's it, yeah, it was the call count, so they never actually retired.
So I'd be tempted to bring in a new box and destroy an old one. Again, have we not changed anything on SIPRAC?
No, SITREC hasn't changed in ages. That's exactly what the problem was. It's because the call count never went to zero, so the boxes would retire, but never actually, or they'd start connection draining, but wouldn't actually retire.
Morning, mate.
I wonder if that was
That's hilarious.
you do that.
How did you bring that up? Which one is it? This one? Which one is it? This one?
Yeah, this one.
How did you bring that up? I was just going to take that. He's coming taped up onto it. That's really genius. That's genius how you've done that. It's really... It's not that obvious as well. You wouldn't be looking for it, would you?
No.
That's funny.